Everybody's talking about AI, right? AI this, AI that. This artificial intelligence, it's everywhere. It's on your phone, it's on the TV, it's in the banking system that's controlling your money, your hard-earned money. AI is everywhere. Now, before you panic, let me ask you this. Do you think AI could survive a Caribbean household? Let's talk about it. I'm going to the car. Let's go. AI, or artificial intelligence, is like a brain that lives inside a computer. It doesn't have a body, it doesn't sweat, it don't eat anything, but it somehow knows everything. Well, kinda. You ask it a question, it gives you back an answer, like it's been eavesdropping on your conversation since birth. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Think of AI as this bright, out-of-touch cousin. The one who went to school overseas and came back speaking like they forgot how to season meat. Smart? Yes. Book sense? Plenty. Common sense? Nah. Vibes? Zero. And my friend, that's where the problem starts. Because you see, Caribbean culture is not based on information, it's based on experience. You can't Google or AI your way into understanding why Granny said fix your face, even when you're not frowning. You can't download the fact of being sent to shop with $100 and coming back with $88 in change, only to hear, so where's the receipt? This is what you buy? You pass 5 supermarkets and stop at that one? AI may be able to write your resume, yes, but could it ever survive a Caribbean household? That's what I'm testing every day, because in this video I'm breaking down exactly why AI will always fail in a Caribbean household, no matter how many updates it gets. So here's the thing. AI is built to be precise, efficient, fast. Meanwhile, Caribbean culture is messy, loud and emotional, and somehow still perfectly functional. AI runs on logic, we run on vibes. Now that might sound funny, but really think about it. AI needs to speak in full, complete sentences with structure and context. But Caribbean people, we communicate through looks, size, and tones. Yeah, eye twitches, and that one long hiss. That means danger is coming. Ask AI, what does bring the thing from top of the thing beside the next thing on the cupboard means? AI is definitely going to freeze like
error. Please specify the object.
Meanwhile, you know exactly what to bring, and you better not come back with the wrong thing. AI's biggest weakness, it needs structure. Everything must be clear, time-stamped, and data backed. Caribbean life, not so. Our directions are vibes based.
Turn by Miss Mavis old shop. You know the place with the blue barrel?
Our timing is an illusion. I'm reaching just now. Me soon come. Give me 2 minutes. But you're still inside, tying shoes lace. Imagine AI trying to predict that timing. It would throw a fit. Yeah? The algorithm would collapse. It would send you 43 reminders and still get vexed when you're not there on time. But we're not late. We're on Caribbean time. There's no clock for that. Just rhythm and vibe. Now picture this. AI in a Caribbean household, it hears, fix your face. AI is confused.
My system indicates no facial recognition. What do you mean by fix?
But you know what that means. Your entire body adjusts immediately. Or the classic, do what you want. AI processes it literally.
Permission granted.
You freeze, you hesitate. Because you know that do what you want is a threat wrapped up in politeness. It means if you do it, prepare to suffer. It gets deeper than just language. This is where the tension really sets in. AI doesn't just miss out phrases, it misses the feeling behind them. It doesn't understand that you're too enough isn't just a comment. It's a full read, a chapter evaluation, and a warning in one. It doesn't get that when your mother say,
is Mia talking to?
She's not asking for clarification. She's giving you your final moment of peace. And it certainly doesn't grasp why Caribbean people say,
you're more too light.
Because there is no translation for that level of suspicion wrapped in cultural wisdom. Alright, let's put AI to the test now. Like really put it to the test. Because if AI had to live in a Caribbean household, I mean, for a single weekend, it would malfunction by Saturday evening. Guaranteed. Your mother hand you $20 and tell you, go buy flour, oil, and one Maggi cube and come back with the change. AI is going to calculate everything down to the decimal point. But what AI don't know is, if you don't bring back the correct brand, the exact size, or proper amount of change, you're done. Come back with anything that looks suspect. So you see all the shop them, and at this you buy? Who tell you to use the coins? Where's the receipt? You eat sweetie out of the change? Poor AI would be crying in binary code. Caribbean parents don't give detailed instructions. They give intention. You are supposed to read their minds. Move that thing from over there and put it where it's supposed to be. AI.
Specify object. Location unclear.
Meanwhile, you know exactly what she meant. You're already halfway to the bathroom before she say another word. You ever hear your mother say, "It's alright, go ahead"? That's not encouragement, that's a trap. AI would take that at face value and get plugged out before dinner.
Try it. Oh, you get big now.
Each one is a warning wrapped in a riddle. Try programming AI to make Caribbean food and watch it struggle. The AI recipe.
Add 1 teaspoon of salt.
Caribbean auntie, you put enough salt and you didn't taste it? Let me see. It missing something. Add a dash of love. AI don't know what love tastes like. It can't feel when the stew smell like it's nearly there. It don't understand how seasoning works coming down from your ancestors. That's not coding, that's cultural transmission. Family function. Music playing, children running, adults shouting over each other, food bubbling, fan blowing, Caribbean chaos in full swing. AI would walk in, scan the room, and shut down from overstimulation. Because we live in noise, we thrive in movement. There's rhythm to it. You just have to feel it. AI cannot feel. Now, jokes aside, let's talk truth. AI might be smart, but it's not wise. It has access to data, but not memory. It knows facts, but not feelings. And Caribbean culture, it's not taught. It's passed down. It's in the way granny stirred the pot 3 times before covering it. The way your uncle call you by your full government name only when he's vexed. The smell of Sunday dinner starting from Saturday night. AI can replicate steps, but it can't create spirit. Our culture was built out of survival and rhythm. We didn't write everything down, we lived it. We showed it. We corrected it in real time. Usually with side-eye and slippers. And while AI can learn languages, it will never understand the why behind the words. Why we say, "Don't let night catch you outside," or why granny said, "Sweep the house before New Year's," or "Old spirit will follow you inside." That's not superstition, that's legacy. AI will never understand why every child must bathe before sunset, why lime leaf cure bellyache and heartbreak, why every Caribbean house has a drawer full of mystery items and one key for nothing. And try telling AI to prepare for hurricane the Caribbean way. It will give you a checklist. We start washing clothes, making soap, charging everything, and somehow still find time to party before the storm hit. There's no reasoning to it, but it makes perfect sense to us. So here's the real tension. In a world rushing towards automation, efficiency, and convenience, what happens to culture like ours that was never built for speed but for depth? What happens when younger Caribbean kids ask AI for our history, but AI only give them tourist brochure, jerk chicken recipe, and Bob Marley quotes? That's not enough. Our culture is more than carnival and curry. It's storytelling, it's community, it's resistance. And if AI can't carry that truth forward, we have to. AI can predict the weather, but it can't smell the rain coming. AI can translate languages, but it can't understand when a Caribbean woman say, "You could do better." That doesn't mean you failed. It means you disappointed your whole family tree, and the ancestors not pleased. This culture, it's not logical, it's layered, it's felt, It's inherited. It's kissing your teeth without saying a word. Sharing a plate with 3 cousins because that's all you had. Cleaning your house with gospel music blasting because that's when the Holy Spirit and Pine Sol move together. Clothes on the line and 70s reggae playing low in the background. AI will never understand that Sunday isn't Sunday without the smell of rice and peas. That's not data. That's DNA. This isn't about technology, it's about identity. Every time we let AI summarize our culture for convenience, every time we let it define us without correcting it, we lose something. We lose a little of the story, a little of the slang, a little of the soul, and soon our traditions become optional. Our food becomes exotic. Our voices get filtered through something that was never built to feel what we carry. But here's the beautiful part. AI might build systems, but we build legacy. We built it every time we tell our children story before bed, teach them to make dumpling by hand, explain why we can't sweep somebody's foot, or why you never turn your back on your mother while she talking. That's how we stay immortal, not through data, but by emotion. So now let me ask you something. What's one thing AI could never understand about your Caribbean upbringing? Drop it in the comments. Let's remind the robots that they can try, but they could never hold a candle to our culture. And if you ever went to shop and come back with no change, slap that like button, like your mother waiting for you at the door with the receipt in her hand. Because remember, my friend, it's not just the destination, it's the journey. Stay locked in. God bless. See you on the next one. Oh, watch this video.